For this video, I will show you how to delete an epic in Jira. First, go to the project that contains the epic that you want to delete. Then go to backlog. Now as you can see, you can't see the epic panel. What you need to do is click on epic on the upper part. Here it will show you all your epic. Then just click on show epic panel. Now you have your epics. Now click on the epic that you want to delete. Then go to view all details. On the right panel, click on the three dots beside the X button. Then select delete. Here you just need to type in delete. Then hit enter and refresh your page. Now as you can see, the epic that you deleted is now gone. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.